Well, we have our second day of green territory. This is good news for the overall crypto market. Woke up today, I was like, that's good to see. We had a really nice day yesterday. Would love to see Bitcoin and Ethereum continue their run. Bitcoin has put 40,000 in its rearview mirror, and if you look at kind of what's going on with it, in the last 24 hours, it has hit a pretty key level of 42,000. It's backed off of it a little bit as of the recording of this video, but that's a big deal. To get back to that 42,000 and quite frankly put the 30,000s behind us a little bit is a good thing. Now, am I completely relieved that we will not go backwards? No, I'm not. Okay, I still think that there's a strong possibility of that happening. I'll talk about that more here in just a minute. Ethereum has hit 3160 and it's really pretty much trading within that 24-hour range of 33,000. That's actually a pretty tight range right there. Okay, so remember, we've got some things out there as far as the overall general market scenario that we need to be aware of, right? Okay, we've got Federal Reserve making their decision on raising the base interest rate, 25 basis points or 50 basis points. The kind of the consensus is that it will be 25 basis points. If it's 50 basis points, that could signal a pretty red scenario, i.e. send crypto lower. We'll see, right? That's something that's out there. Now, the stock market, and yes, the stock market is moved around at times by crypto. Stock moves crypto rather. And I think that definitely happened yesterday. The stock market was on fire yesterday. The Dow was up almost 500 points. NASDAQ was up a dramatically high amount as well. And right here, right now, the Dow and NASDAQ are, Dow's up 184, NASDAQ's down 94. I think that part of the reason Netflix is losing subscribers, so that's kind of weighing on the overall market right now as well. But my point of bringing the stock market into play here is that you need to look at the overall kind of landscape, right? We got the Federal Reserve and what are they going to do, not going to do. That is creating a lot of kind of fear, uncertainty, and doubt in the market. Anytime we're 2 or 3 weeks away from a Federal Reserve decision, that happens. Okay. Now, I would also tell you that there is still pretty much a tremendous amount of fear in the overall market. We're on our back-to-back days of 27 and 27. So fear is prevalent. Fear is here in the marketplace. And again, I continue to kind of feel that. Now you've got Russia stepping up their offensive efforts, going after some parts of eastern Ukraine and their heavy commercialized industrial zones, things of that nature as well. And then now there's a new theme coming out, and I saw it on this morning's news here in Dallas, as well as kind of like why everybody's mad at Biden, and Biden right here, and why a near-term recession is unlikely. Of course, I saw the exact opposite story earlier that there is a possible recession out there that could be coming, things of that nature. All of this kind of overall bad news price point is affecting price points. And granted, not today. The reason I'm kind of showing you all this is that I want you to be aware of it. I want you to be aware of and kind of have a plan in place that protects you, protects yourself, protects your family or whatever it is that whomever it is that you're doing crypto investing for. Have a diversification strategy. Don't just be involved in crypto. Have some stocks, some bonds, mutual funds, not investing advice. If you're in crypto, obviously you're watching a crypto video. Don't just own one crypto. Be diversified, right? Own some Bitcoin, Ethereum, some of the other top 15 or 20 cryptos, things of that nature. Just diversify. That's all I'm really trying to get at, okay? So that's what I've got for you right here, right now. As always, I appreciate you. If you haven't already done so, hit that subscribe button. Would love to have you see you stick around. I'm trying to get the channel to 200,000 subscribers. That's a big, major milestone. And so I'd love to have you stick around and become a subscriber. As always, because I have one goal, and that's to help you navigate crypto waters and to make more money tomorrow than you made today, just to help you along the path, if you will. So what I got for you, as always, I appreciate you. I'll see you. Bye.